actually respond to...
Okay.
Baba. Thank you very much, sir.
I
don't know where you are speaking from.
Thunder fire you.
But Simon Ekpa is speaking, and I called him an imbecile.
Come and sit down, sit down there. Sit down.
And I stand by that.
Thunder fire you dead.
Yes?
Okay. You have that.
By the way, my name is Chidi.
Jesus is Lord.
I don't yield to anyone in my Igbo-ness.
What?
You're not more Igbo than I am, and I'm not more Igbo than you are.
What did you say?
You're not more Igbo than I am, and I'm not more Igbo than you are.
God should descend, today God will descend here.
Okay? Now, I cannot tell you. If I tell you, I come from, and my parents lived in precisely the epicenter of the current crisis.
It's a lie.
Why you going to talk like that?
If I tell you the amount of Ali Bumjigarukoga,
I beg, spot in the investment. What do worry you now? Stop that rubbish.
In the last 3 months, I have covered over 350 kilometers on foot.
Man, this guy can't brain, I beg. It's a lie.
Nalibu. Inugo? So, I'm not going to take lectures from anybody
Thunder fire you dead.
on what is happening in the Southeast. I've come in from the Southeast to the United States this week. I'm going back to the Southeast.
Will you tell this man to shut his gun?
And I'm about Ali Boso.
Arrest him. Arrest him.
So, when we come to this thing, let us all come to this thing as
Now you talk this in a bit, they just fuck me.
and we understand what is going on. If you don't understand, I do. I have lost family, not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5.
Jesus is Lord.
Hey! I beg you, I tell you where I beg you, I don't.
I have buried family.
It's a lie.
Why you going to talk like that?
So you don't give me lectures about what is happening in sit at home.
You are a stupid man.
The first thing is, when we are talking about this thing, can we respect one another?
Thunder fire you. When government approve primary school for you, where you did, where you not go on that time?
I don't know.
You don't know, and you're clear.
Simon Ekpa cannot be sitting and sleeping with a white woman in Finland.
You did Chris?
Why you going to talk like that?
And you are telling me that he is what to you?
Hey! I beg you, I tell you where I beg you, I don't.
If he is that to you, please, I will respect you and what he is to you.
If you're not a good here, then it's you.
But when I am burying my people,
What?
my family, my blood, because of his irresponsibility, and you are giving me lectures, I'll take exception to that.
What did you say?
And you are giving me lectures, I'll take exception to that.
You be mumu.
I've listened to you in dignity and respect. But I do think on this matter, I know a lot more than you do.
Hey, it's a lie.
I respect your age because you're older than me.
God should descend, today God will descend here.
But I swear, I know a lot more than you do on this particular subject matter.
Come and sit down, sit down there. Sit down.
And I will not yield to you when you try to give me lectures on this matter.
Thunder fire.
I will end that.
I beg, spot in the investment. What do worry you now? Stop that rubbish.